Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now let us start with the second example on parsing and ambiguity. We are going to see a grammar which represents expressions in mathematics. There are certain problems with this grammar which we will be discussing later. First, let us try to derive the parse tree, leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation for the required set. Let us see what the question is asking. The question is asking us to find a parse tree, leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation for a string 1 plus 2 plus 3 from the given grammar. Now what is given in the grammar? In the grammar, the non-terminal e represents expression. They're saying that an expression is expression plus an expression, or expression multiplied by an expression, or simply an ID. An ID could be any number which could be represented using the digits 0 through 9. Now let us try to derive the required string from this grammar. E will be the root of our tree because E is the start symbol. We know that we need two plus symbols in our required string. So we will be using the production E plus E twice. Let us use it first. You can see that over here there are two E's. Now for producing the second plus, you may use a left E or you may use a right E, depending upon your choice. Now there is some problem with this grammar. That is why there is this ambiguity that whether we should go with the left E or should we go with the right E. So for now, let us go with the left E. You can see that we have produced two plus symbols. Now we are left to produce the symbols 1, 2 and 3. For them, we need to first produce ID. So we will use the production E produces ID. From ID, we will be generating the numbers 1, 2 and 3. In this E, we will be using the production E produces ID. And the ID will produce the first number 1. Similarly, from this E, we will be producing one more ID, which in turn will produce 2. Similarly, the third E would produce an ID, and that will produce the number 3. If you try to write the yield of this parse tree, you will see that it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Let us trace this particular tree. As I said, we will be tracing from left to right, top to bottom. The first symbol encountered is 1. Then we encountered a plus. Note that we are not using the non-terminal, we are only writing the terminals. We have reached 2. Again a plus symbol. Now we have reached 3. And we reach back the start symbol E. Having done with the parse tree, now let us construct the leftmost derivation. We will start with the start symbol E over here. We need to produce plus, so we will use E produces E plus E as the production. We have produced plus one time, we need one more E, so the leftmost E will be replaced with one more E plus E. Note that over here, this E plus E is producing the first E from here, and this E is a replication of the E over here. Now we can repeatedly use the production E produces ID to produce the rest. Let us say we are using E produces ID on the first E because we are following the leftmost derivation. Now first ID would be replaced with 1. Now second E would be replaced with ID. The ID would be replaced with 2. Now third E is replaced with ID. And now we are producing the 3. You can see that we have produced the required string. We have produced the parse tree. We have completed the leftmost derivation. Now let us start with the rightmost derivation. We know that we have to produce pluses, so we will use the first production again. E produces E plus E. This is leftmost derivation, so the first symbol to be resolved is the rightmost one. So we'll try to resolve the rightmost E first. This E would get replaced with ID and then by 3. Now we need one more time plus, so we will resolve the first E. Using the production, E produces E plus E. Now again the rightmost E will be replaced with ID to get the symbol 2. Now we need to get 1. First we are using the production E produces ID, then we are using the production ID produces 1. You can see that we have produced the rightmost derivation 1 plus 2 plus 3. From this example, you will understand that the same grammar can generate multiple ways the same string. This problem is called ambiguity, as we discussed earlier. So this grammar was an ambiguous grammar. We will be trying to resolve the ambiguity of this grammar later. From the next video, we will be seeing more questions on the same grammar with other operators. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and do subscribe.